Welcome to a balcony room on Mariner of the Seas. We are staying in room 7240, and look at this. Before we go inside, we are right next to the elevators. This is my first time staying here, and I was scared about noise. There's no noise. Everybody coming up and down the elevators, in and out, like you don't hear anything when your door is closed. So I love it. And I'm probably going to book another room by an elevator because it's so convenient. All right, let's head inside the room. Right here next to the door are two hooks, very convenient. We hang our hats here, our lanyards here. Here's the closet. We use the top half for our clothes and the bottom half is adjustable, so we used it for storage. And here there are 6 shelves in the closet. You have your life jackets down there, plenty of space for clothes, and this top shelf, perfect for those big floppy hats. Over here is the bathroom, pretty standard. Alright, you walk in, the shower's right there, the door's open. Here's the shower head. It has multiple settings, great water pressure. There's 2 shelves in the shower. Here's the toilet, pretty standard. Here's the vanity. It's a pretty nice size. I'm used to shelves on the side. And as you can see, we stored a lot underneath the sink. But then we discovered there's shelves in the mirror. So I'm happy. There's 4 hooks on the back of the bathroom door. Here's the thermostat, pretty standard, hot or cold. And in the main area, you have the couch, which is huge, but needs a deep cleaning. So yeah, Royal, let's do that. All right, here's all the amazing storage. More storage, more storage. I love it. All right, the TV, it's small, but it does what it needs to do. We're on a cruise, but it does swivel out. You can go left or right, depending on where you are. Down below, there's 2 shelves. We used it to put all of my son's toys. If you open up this cabinet, there's actually a safe, plenty of space. My laptop actually fits in there. And then right above that cabinet, we have more storage space, just like we like. Let's look over here at the vanity area. They have great lighting, big mirrors, perfect for doing your makeup, you guys. And then there's more shelves at the bottom. The top shelf has the blow dryer. Okay, here's the outlets. It's very limited, so I would definitely suggest you bring an approved power strip. You're gonna need it. Once again, in the mirrors are hidden shelves, which I actually grew to love. More storage, and you get to close it up, so I love it. Also, under the TV is a mini fridge. Surprisingly, it actually gets cold. It definitely chilled our drinks. Over here is the bed. We currently have it pushed together for a king-size bed. And if you want a little privacy between the couch and the bed area, they have a little curtain that just opens up. By the way, the suitcases fit perfectly under the bed.
It just goes right in here. Perfect storage. Bam! We're gonna put all of our suitcases under here. Tucked away for 5 days.
Okay, so on the sides of the beds you have night lights, and if you go below, there's more storage with the nightstands. And the highlight of the room, of course, is the balcony. There's 2 chairs and 1 nice sized table, and this amazing view. And by the way, the door is heavy and it has a special lock on the balcony door. So I was able to sleep easy knowing my son couldn't get out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Cruising with Lou for more cruising content.